Hello and welcome to the course introduction of Oracle Application Express, or APEX. My name is Steve Hamilton and I will be your instructor for this course. Please remember that APEX is a registered trademark of Oracle Corporation. This course, Oracle Application Express, will describe the components of the Oracle Application Express tool, which is basically the Oracle's rapid application development tool. We'll cover the methods that will be used by APEX to quickly and efficiently develop web-based applications for your organization. We will learn how to install and configure APEX. We will build applications, create forms, build reports, add buttons, templates, and as well as administer the Oracle Application Express tool. We will learn how to work with session states, page processing, navigation, utilities, as well as handle security from APEX. This will cover the install for APEX for the 11G R2 environment. We will learn the scripts that should need to be applied to install APEX. We will learn how to configure APEX. We will learn about configuring a workspace, workspace administrators, and workspace users. And then finally, we will learn how to develop an APEX application, how we can rapidly develop and deploy a full-blown application that will contain forms, reports, queries, as well as security to your end users. The prerequisites to this course that you have taken Oracle Administration 1, Part 1, as well as Part 2. Have at least 6 months of development experience. The module topics will be the overall introduction to Application Express. What is Application Express? What can Application Express do for you? We will look at using the tools with Oracle's Application Express. We will use the SQL workshop. We will learn how to use the Building Application module from Application Express. We will also learn how to create a report associated to an application, as well as creating forms. And within those forms, we will have our pages and regions. With an individual form, we will learn about items and buttons, and these are components of an individual form. We will talk about session state and debugging. What is a session state and how we can debug our application if we need to. We will learn how Oracle Application Express will process each individual page or information that's displayed to your application. We will talk about our shared components, our menu items and our buttons, our checkboxes, and our radio buttons. We will look at dynamic content, so how the content of an individual form can change depending upon the look and feel of your application. And then we will look at themes, so we can change the overall theme of an application depending upon your organizational needs. We will develop a template, so we could rapidly develop a template and then deploy that template to other developers, and they can create applications based off of our template. We will learn how to administer Application Express. We will create security users. We will create Application Express admins as well as workspaces. We will implement the security, and then we will learn how we can deploy the application throughout our organization. Oracle Application Express is a web-based tool, so we can deploy this application across all aspects within our organization within an intranet and have all of our end users access the information. And then finally, we will look at Application Express utilities. How to overall manage the application, implement security, upload and unload data, as well as viewing monitoring reports. The curriculum path with Application Express would be we would want you to take Oracle Administration 1, Part 1, Oracle Database Administration 1, Part 2, and then finally, Oracle Application Express. The lab exercise can be downloaded from the paperclip link. There will be 4 or 5 applications or 4 or 5 labs associated with this course. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to use the question and comment box found below. Okay, let's get started.